Hi there, I'm Joey Ratliff, Elephant Manager at Audubon Zoo. These are my girls, two high-class Asian elephants. This one over here, her name is Jean, and Jean is 36 years old, and Ponya here is 45. And what we're going to do today is we're going to get some weights on them. We haven't weighed them in about 3 months because their scales have been broken. Their last weights were about 7,600 and 10,200. But we had the state police come out today and bring their truck scales. So they'll be over here in a few minutes, and we'll set them down and get them up there and see what they're weighing right now.
And I'm Officer Justin Porter with Louisiana State Police Weights and Standards, Transportation Environmental Safety Section. Been there for 5 years.
Sean Cotton, Louisiana State Police, working Transportation Environmental Safety Section, Mobile Waste Division, along with Officer Porsche. We do the same thing. We're assigned. I'm out of Troop A and he's out of Troop A.
The total combined gross vehicle weights on trucks. 90% of the time it tells axle weights and gross weights. The scales are within a 1% accuracy rate. Never weighed an animal before with them. I know truck drivers sure hate to see them when they come out the side of the road. You want us to move them in a little closer?
How much? 4,200. Come on, Ponya. Come on, Ponya. All right, Bear. Steady. Steady, 34. No. You don't. Steady. Steady. All right. All right, we did the weighing, and Jean over there, she is now 7,600, so she's up about 200 pounds. And Ponya, she's about 10,400. So she's up about 300 pounds now. Every year at the zoo, we have what we call Zoo to Do. And it's a big fundraiser. It's usually for an animal project. This year is for elephants. Hopefully we can get enough funding to build a new barn and a bigger exhibit for our 2 elephants, and maybe get a couple of more elephants after that. It's really important that we keep elephants to show the public, to let them have a chance to see them, and also we can educate them about the conservation of elephants. Because they're dying off in the wild. The Asian elephant, there's only about 34,000 left in the world, and maybe half of that is in captivity. The African elephant is doing fairly well. There's about 600,000 African elephants left. But if we don't keep elephants in zoos and study them and learn about them and breed them, we may not have them at all in the future to see them in the wild or anywhere else. So it's really important that we do our part for conservation here at the zoo.